Are you looking for a new shower chair? Well, let me tell you about this one from Central Roll. This thing is awesome. Not only do you have these nice handles, which this is expandable, so you can make this go even in further if you don't need it this wide, or you can have it as a nice wide seat. Handles either can stay on or be adjusted. And besides the handles, you've got a full 360, if it doesn't get caught on my soap dish, swivel. So a full 360 swivel on this seat. The seat accommodates up to 500 pounds, and it includes this, which can be connected right here. And this is like a little handle holder to hold either your shower wand. So if you're sitting in the chair having a shower, that connects just like that. Super convenient. Can you see that? Holds that. Or this can also hold the included poof with a handle. That also can set right in there, just like that, to make that easily accessible. The height also adjusts from 30 inches to 36 inches. So that's right here on the legs. You've got those 5 adjustments, 30 to 36 inches. Let me show you that swivel bottom. Chair was super easy to assemble. Took me about, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe. But let me just show you. What I love about this is just because you have that swiveling ability, you can easily, from right outside my tub, this works for my tub, reach back, put your hands on the handles, and then slide right into the tub. So no need to even step over the tub with that swivel ability. Makes this a top-notch chair. #1 choice, gift for my mom. I think she's gonna love it.